my channel.
Happy Mother's Day.
Ooh! Thank you. Did you buy these?
Well, of course.
I made these. These are the beautiful strawberry bouquets. I got these and I got this too there, and I am going to show you how fun to make this for Mother's Day. Let's watch. First, we have to wash the strawberries and pat them dry. We need candy melts, any colors that you like to use. And we also need skewers, sprinkles, and of course strawberries and a bowl. Melt the chocolate in the microwave. Then poke a hole underneath the strawberries so you can put the skewers in. Dip the strawberries one by one and shake it to remove the excessive chocolate. One way to decorate the strawberries is to sprinkle right away after you dipped it in the chocolate, so the sprinkles will stick on the strawberries. You have all the fun to decorate the strawberries in any way you like it. Another way of decorating is to drizzle the chocolate onto the strawberries using a spatula. Another way to drizzle is putting the melted chocolate in the Ziploc bag as a piping bag and drizzle onto the strawberries. To assemble, we're going to use strips of plastic wrap that will serve as ties to put them together by threes. We have 24 strawberries right now. And this is how I put them together to make the bouquet. Did you have fun watching the video? I had fun making this. It's always fun making cake pops. They have the same procedure how to make them, and it's so they are so beautiful and so economical if you make it yourself. See how beautiful these are. Thank you guys for watching. If you enjoy watching the video, please subscribe, hit the like button so you are updated in every video that I posted. So thank you guys for watching. Happy Mother's Day to all the mothers out there, and I'll see you on my next one. Bye.